Toolbox is available only on PC. To use Toolbox, log into Immo Bypass on your PC. Find the Toolbox button at the top bar of the interface and click it. On the left, you can see the list of available algorithms that you can use. Keep in mind that only some options are available in demo version. They are marked with the Free badge. Solutions marked as free are also available in demo version of Immo Bypass. Solutions marked as Pro are only available for users with active Immo Bypass subscription. If you don't see all the items on the list, you can just minimize any of the brand-specific sections. Still have questions? Feel free to contact us or check out the frequently asked questions section on our website. And remember that we're still expanding the toolbox. More algorithms are on the way.